We ask yourself is, am I really Samantha Barbara or not? So who believes, yes, I'm really Samantha Barbara, and who thinks, no, I'm not really Samantha Barbara? If you're one of those who think I'm not really Samantha Barbara, you don't think like that, because your true nature really is Samantha Barbara. In the text it says, in the prayer it says, I am one with all beings. I am with all beings. So if you just think, I want to benefit all sentient beings, you are really Samantha Barbara. And you can think that I'm really Samantha Barbara. It's just, it changes moment by moment. In one moment you are Samantha Barbara, another moment you are not. There's actually this quote in the Manjushri Namasangiti, where it says, in a moment you are a sentient being, the next moment you are a perfect Buddha. So in one moment you may recognize the quality of your own Buddha nature, and that is the actual Samantha Barbara. So when you recite